Welcome to AOC. Do you know how to make the most of your 1 minute prep time in part 2 of the IELTS speaking exam? Here's a suggestion. Read the cue card carefully and underline the key points. Quickly jot down 3 to 4 ideas or examples. Organize your response. Introduction, details, and conclusion. For example, if the topic is describe a restaurant you enjoyed, then note the name, the food, and why it was special. This structure will keep your answer focused and clear. Follow AOC for more tips and book a lesson to practice. Like, subscribe, and let's ace this together.